What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So I am unboxing my BOXYCHARM box. This is just the regular base box, but this is the one that I paid for. I have already unboxed my PR one, and I had every intention of filming this, well, tonight. It's morning, really, but my makeup is annoying the crap out of me. My eyes are watering. It's a whole mess. So we're just gonna do a quick unboxing. I'm gonna give you my thoughts on my purchase box, and if you want to compare, I will have my previous unboxing listed below. I'll have a link for you, and that's just gonna be my PR box. So really quick, this is the Spellbound BOXYCHARM. Pretty straightforward for the month of October. And oh, I'm seeing two products from Trace Loose. I think it's Trace Loose or Trace Beauty, and this is like an Artista 4-piece brush set. I have not opened these. Oh, that's a pretty blue. Ooh, these look nice. The bristles look like really good quality. Okay, very lightweight. They're not heavy, but the bristles themselves feel like they're like a little bit like very soft, but a little coarseness to them, which for me is perfect. So this looks like a really good eye brush set. I'm just using my hand so you can see them a little bit better. Not old school YouTube stuff, but this one's really pretty. You've got like a little bullet brush, definitely got a blending brush, shading brush. You could do a whole lot with these, and this color is really beautiful. I didn't purchase anything from this brand when it came out just because I was like, no, I cannot purchase everything, but I'm really excited. We do have another product from Trace Loose Beauty, and this is the I Am Alma set. Oh, they're lashes and eyeshadow. So let's see. Oh, that's pretty. You've got some neutrals and then a couple pops of color. That's really calling my name. That's a really pretty shade. And the eyelashes, this looks pretty. The band's like a teensy bit thick, but it's still fairly thin, and they look pretty like fanned out. Looks like a really pretty style. So this came as a set. So the brush set is $27. I mean, for 4 good brushes, that's not bad at all. This I Am Alma set is only $25, so you get like a pair of lashes and 6-pan eyeshadow palette, which looks really pretty. I'm definitely gonna try this, so I'm gonna do some swatches for you. They look very pigmented. These look pretty. And I just wanna swatch Divina. Oh my goodness. Look at that one. These look really pretty. Okay, I'm really glad I got this. Like I had no idea what to expect from the brand, but first glance, I mean, brushes feel nice, shadows look nice, and the lashes look pretty. Let's move on. Let's go ahead and get the downer out of the way. I got Julep Beauty Cleansing Wipes. I did get this in my PR box as well, and most of you guys agreed. Like, some people said, yeah, I'm gonna use them, so it's fine. But I do think that a makeup wipe for me is just like it's gonna be a downer regardless, because A, we should be trying not to use things like this. And they do say that they are biodegradable, but you know, somebody made a good point in the comments that, you know, a lot of times biodegradable can mean a lot of different things. I know that like some things biodegrade with moisture, some without, and sometimes they take a long time still. So yeah, I mean, these seem okay, but I just don't use makeup wipes, you know? So definitely not excited for those, and I think those go for $20 for the Julep makeup wipes. I also got this from Pinky Rose Cosmetics, and these are makeup sticks. It says pump your base. What is this? Multi-use base sticks. Used for eyelids or primer, bottom lash line, waterline, brow bone, lips. The packaging is pretty cute. It's like a little boom box. And this set goes for $20, and it's 2 sticks. I don't really have any experience with Pinky Rose. It's Hip Hop and Jazz, 2 different shades. So let's swatch. Hip Hop is the lighter one. Okay, it's like a creamy base. That would be a good waterline shade. I was curious, like, can you use these on the face? Like, you could try, but I don't know if it's really meant for. This one is more metallic. The light, like, tannish shade is Hip Hop, and then Jazz is the darker shade. I mean, I'm curious about these. I'm especially curious about this one to see how it does as like base or in the waterline. I'm curious. I'll definitely give these a try just to see because it's intriguing enough to at least get my attention. Oh, I got lash glue too. Latin Beauty Perspectives. But I don't know if that's BOXYCHARM or Trace Loose. So anyway, got a little eyelash glue, which is cool because sometimes people who don't wear eyelashes get lashes in their box and then they're like, now I gotta go buy, you know, lash glue. I mean, I have some on hand, but it never hurts to have a backup. And then the last thing we got is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I've gotten a couple of these, but I'm not complaining. They are beautiful on the skin. Let me grab mine. All right, so this serum is kind of like makeup prep, glow, brightening. You certainly wear it on its own. So this is my hand before. I'm just gonna pump one time. It just gives you like that juicy looking skin. Like it's got a little sheen to it. It just looks juicy and smells so good. And this feels nicer to me than like the watermelon juice moisturizer. I love Glow Recipe, but that moisturizer was just way too light for me. I need something like more hydrating, but this, you get that nice watermelon smell and it gives you a little glow. It looks beautiful on the face. Like on my hand doesn't really do it justice, but also the bottle is beautiful. But I'm pretty happy with this. I mean, you get basically 3 items from Trace Loose Beauty, and I'm very, very excited to try these out. The sticks, I'm like, the makeup wipes, I could do without, and then the Glow Recipe drops. So these are really the things that I am excited for. So that was a very quick unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am gonna do skincare and go to bed because it's 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm pretty awake though for 5 o'clock in the morning, but my internal alarm clock doesn't exist. My body loves to stay up all night. I don't know why that is. Like I'll get on a good schedule and then it's ruined like 3 days later. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, quick look too. If you care, these are Impress nails. These were so hard to find that I wound up ordering them from Walmart and paying like $5 shipping on a set of nails. But I really wanted these. I love the little like silver spider webs and bats and pink and glitter, and that kind of inspired my makeup, like a pink and spider. I wanted it to be like cute glam, but the corners of my eyes had other plans. Such a mess. Okay, thank you guys so much for hanging with me. If you want to check out BOXYCHARM, I'll have it linked below. Make sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you're not following me on Instagram and TikTok, make sure. I just filmed a bunch of TikToks. You guys don't want to miss them. So thank you so much again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.